Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really simple Angel Delight ice cream. There's not many ingredients in it and it's like super simple. Don't need anything special really. So to start off with, I'm getting 300 milliliters of double cream. I'm just gonna whip this up until it's at soft peaks. So I did actually just whip it just a tad more than I should have done. But if you do, it doesn't really make much difference because it still works. So it does take a few minutes to do. Just be patient with it and make sure you're moving around a lot so it all gets done. You don't want one side more runny than the other. So when it's like this, it's done. As I could have stopped just before this, but I didn't. So to this I'm going to add 100 grams of icing sugar. So I'm going to sieve that so there's no lumps or anything in it. And then I'm just going to fold this in. So I'm going to grab my spatula and just fold this in. I'm not going to like go crazy and mix it. So I'm just going to move it around, take my time and folding it. And then there's one more ingredient and that'd make a basic ice cream, and then I'm going to add the Angel Delight for the flavour. So you can just do this in the next part and then add whatever flavour you want, but specifically Angel Delight I'm going to add. Okay, so once that is all mixed in, you're ready to add a can of evaporated milk. So this is 410 gram can of evaporated milk. I don't use condensed milk, I use evaporated. And then I'm just going to mix this in. So I first start using the spatula just to start the mixing, but then I do just switch to a balloon whisk. So you just want to mix it around and make sure there's no lumps left whatsoever. So just keep mixing until all the lumps are gone. So just break it up with a spatula and then moved on to the balloon whisk. And now it's time to add the Angel Delight. 1 pack of Angel Delight is fine, but I'm actually splitting this into 2 batches, and I'm going to use 1 packet for each batch, and that actually makes a stronger flavour. So if you like really strong ice cream, you want 2 packets of Angel Delight, but if you just want a nice subtle flavour, just use the 1 for the whole lot. So I've got strawberry, which I'm going to use for half of it. So I'm just going to open that up, bung it in and mix it in. So this makes 800 mils of ice cream. So these 2 batches, they're going to be 400 each. Like I say, if you just wanted the 1 flavour, 1 packet is actually fine for the whole 800. And because I like my ice cream bright, I'm actually going to add some food colour into it as well, because Angel Delight isn't the brightest of things. It's a nice like pale pink, but I want it a bit more bright, so I've added some gel food colouring into this just to give it a bit more colour, which you don't have to do. So make sure that's all mixed in. So you don't want any streaks or anything, you want all one uniform colour. And then when that's done, you put into a freezer safe tub and then you pop it in the freezer. About 4 hours this will be ready. I left this overnight when I had it, but usually about 4 hours it's like ready to eat. Maybe before that. I haven't actually fully checked. Like when I make it, I usually just leave it for a while. I don't keep going checking it. And then that'll be your ice cream done. So I've just popped the lid on it and popped it in the freezer. So the next one, I'm going to do a banana flavour. So again, I just put the whole thing in there. And like I say, if you use 1 pack for half of it, the taste is fairly strong. So just mix that all around. This actually did come like to a nice banana yellow, but I still added some food colour into this one anyway, just to make it a bit more yellow. And then pour this one out too. And again, popped it in the fridge. So then that's it, you're ready to eat it. Add some other toppings if you like. But yeah, that's it. It tastes really good, really simple, homemade ice cream. You don't need any special equipment, and that's it, you're done. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Bye.
Make a patchwork of our choice, scratch the love that time employs. Through our crafts we build and mend, in the end hearts always blind. Materials they come alive, when we're together dreams survive. Creativity flows and then, in the end hearts always blend.